Abell 1033, to boldly go into colliding galaxy clusters. This is by phys.org. This is an article by Chandra X-ray Center. Image is a composite by Chandra X-ray, hidden in a distant galaxy cluster. Collisions are wisps of gas resembling the Starship Enterprise, an iconic spaceship from Star Trek franchise, and galaxy clusters are cosmic structures containing hundreds or even thousands of galaxies. They are the largest objects in the universe held together by gravity. Multi-million degree gas fills the space in between the individual galaxies. The mass of the hot gas is about 6 times greater than that of all the galaxies combined, and this superheated gas is invisible to optical telescopes, but shines bright in X-rays, so an X-ray telescope like NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory is required to study it. By combining X-rays with other types of light such as radio waves, a more complete picture of these important cosmic objects can be obtained. A new composite image of the galaxy cluster Abell 1033, including X-rays from Chandra, which are purple, radio emission from low-frequency array LOFAR network in the Netherlands are blue, does just that. Optical emissions from the Sloan Digital Sky Survey is also known. The galaxy cluster is located about 1.6 billion light-years from Earth. Using X-ray and radio data, scientists have determined that Abell 1033 is actually 2 galaxy clusters in the process of colliding. This extraordinary energetic event happened from the top to the bottom in the range, has produced turbulence and shock waves similar to sonic booms produced by a plane moving faster than the speed of sound. In Abell 1033, the collision has interacted with another energetic cosmic process, the production of jets of high-speed particles by matter spiraling into a supermassive black hole, in this case one located in a galaxy in one of the clusters. These jets are revealed by radio emissions into the left and right sides of the image, and the radio emission is produced by electrons spiraling around magnetic field lines, the process called synchrotron emission. The electrons in the jets are traveling at very close to the speed of light. As the galaxy and its black hole are moved towards the lower part of the image, the jet on the right slowed down as it crashed into hot gas, another galaxy cluster. The jet on the left did not slow down because it encountered much less hot gas, given a warped appearance for the jets, rather than the straight line that is typically seen. This image of Abell 1033 also provides an example of pareidolia, a psychological phenomenon where familiar shapes and patterns are seen in otherwise random data. In Abell 1033, the structure in the data create an uncanny resemblance to many of the depictions of the fictional Starship Enterprise from Star Trek, of course. Now, the terms of astrophysical research, a detailed study of the image shows that the energy of the electrons in the saucer section, the neck of the starship-shaped radio emission in Abell 1033 is higher than that found in the star drive section towards the lower left. This suggests that the electrons have been re-energized, presumably when the jets interact with turbulence or shock waves in the hot gas. The energetic electrons produced the radio emission will normally lose substantial amount of energy over tens to hundreds of millions of years as they radiate. The radio emissions would then become undetectable. However, the vastly extended radio emission observed in Abell 1033, extended over about 500,000 light-years, implies that energetic electrons are present in larger quantities and with higher energies than previously thought. One idea is that the electrons have been given a further boost in energy by extra boosts of shocks and turbulence. Other sources of radio emission in the images besides the starship-shaped objects are the shorter jets from another galaxy labeled short jets, as a radio phoenix consisted of a cloud of electrons that faded into radio emission, but was then re-energized when shock waves compressed the cloud. This caused the cloud to once again shine at radio frequencies, as it was reported back in 2015. The team who made the study will use observations with Chandra and LOFAR to look for further examples of colliding galaxy clusters with warped radio emission to further their understanding of these energetic objects. A paper describing this result was published in October 4th, 2017 issue of Science Advances, and this is, of course, by an article by NASA on phys.org, NASA Chandra. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.